Hi everyone, today we'll be going through the features of QuantOptima from the beginning of Orbital until milestone 3. But first, a bit of introduction. QuantOptima is a web application that aims to provide individual investors with intuitive tools for paper trading, portfolio management, and predictive analysis. The web app aims to create a user-centric platform that demystifies complex financial concepts and supports better investment decisions. When users first visit the app, they will be brought into the login page. If they do not have an account, they can choose to register. From the registration page, users can enter their name, their email, and a password. And after which, they can click on the register button to create an account. The home page gives an overview of the different features in the app. If the user does not know how to use a feature, they can click on the How to Use button, which will bring them to the bottom of the page and open up the corresponding section in the accordion. Next up is the market page. In the market page, users can enter a ticker of their choice and then choose whether to include the forecast. They can also choose whether they want to look at prices from 1 year, 1 month, 1 week, or from 1 day ago. After clicking on Fetch, the price chart will appear. In the sidebar, users can also see the last price of the symbol and the last change in price of that symbol. When the Include Forecast option is selected, the system will generate a forecast of the price for the next few days. Now let us explore the paper trade feature. In this feature, users can buy and sell stocks to update their virtual portfolio in the app. To buy a stock, all the user has to do is to input the symbol and the quantity of shares to buy. After which, once they click on the buy button, the total cost will be shown to them. When the user now goes to the My Portfolio page, the stock that they just bought will be visible in the form of a table. On this page, users can also download their current holdings as a CSV file. Going back to the paper trade page, users can sell stocks by first choosing a symbol from their portfolio, either by typing or selecting from the drop-down list, and afterwards entering the quantity of shares to sell. Once they click on the sell button, the total revenue will be displayed to them and their portfolio will be updated. When the user goes back to the My Portfolio page, they will see that it is empty now as all the stocks have been sold. Moving on to the Portfolio Optimizer page. In this page, users can enter their risk level, which ranges from 5% all the way up to 95%. Users can also enter their portfolio value and adjust the value by clicking on the up and down buttons at the side. Once ready, all they have to do is to click on the Optimize button and wait for the system to generate its output. The system will provide a group of stocks along with the expected return and the volatility. Users can download the table to follow on their own time by using the Download CSV button. By hovering over each of the sections in the pie chart, users can also see the weight of each stock in the allocation. If they wish to change the parameters, all they have to do is to click the Edit Parameters button. Changing the portfolio value will immediately update the values in the optimized portfolio. However, changing the risk will require a recalculation. When the risk is higher, the expected return and volatility are both higher, and the portfolio allocation will be different. Last but not least, we have the Help page. The Help page consists of 3 categories. The first being the AI Financial Assistant, where users can interact with an AI chatbot to ask finance-related questions. Then we have the frequently asked questions and the contact support section. Focusing more on the financial assistant, the users can type in their question in the text box below. So if you ask something like, what is PE ratio? You can send a message, and after a few moments, you'll get a response from the AI assistant. And if we click away to another section and come back to the financial assistant later, you'll notice that our chat history is able to persist. This has been our technical demonstration for Milestone 3. Thank you for watching.